Hello, I am Boniface, and I would want to introduce you a newer version, or rather the newer model of the DSP for carving machines, CNC carving machines, or some people will say CNC routers. And this right here, HC203, is a 3-axis. However, it has 4-axis terminals, and this can be upgraded at will whenever you need, of course at a cost. And there is no more versatile DSP than this in the market. It's so versatile you won't believe it. So I'll just switch it on and then I show you. So I'll just escape. So this the keypad. This is how the keypad looks like. And I'll just escape. And then I'll take you through, the various features. But it's too much to cover in one video. But I'll just go to the inputs so that you see how versatile it is. Because this controller can be used, depending on the firmware, it can be used on so many variations of the CNC, including automatic tool changers. And it goes all the way to 5-axis. So let's go to the menu. And the password is 1992, like the year. So I just want to show you the input side, like where you have the sensors and all that. They can be customized. The terminal can be customized. It's not rigid. Like I have this Wei Hong G, this is a G3, but it's very rigid, So like the limits, let's come here. This has to be the X origin limit. It cannot be any other. Like that's how it is wired. You cannot do nothing about that. You can't change it. But with this, let's go to the machine parameters, port settings, input functions. So these are mine is 3-axis, so X, Y, Z, but there's so many input functions you can enable. Yeah, so many. There are 79 items. Yeah, so many items you can enable. The limits of the axis, so many. So the input function. So we work with the origin sensors. So you have your X, Y, Z enabled, and then we go to the input ports. You can specify whatever input you need. So right here, I don't know, is the input side. Okay, so you have, this is how the controller looks like. You have your outputs. These are relay, physical relays, and then you have other outputs here, and then you have the third port here is the analog output of the spindle, and the rest are inputs. So you have 15 inputs. In those inputs, you can choose wherever you need to put your sensors for inputs. Yeah, so currently mine is set to the X-axis. The X origin is at 1. Input port 1, it's written in 1. But I can modify that. I can just click on modify. I click on modify, and then I can have anything like 15. So we have input 15 right here, and you choose that to be your input, and just click OK, and that will be a new input for the origin. So you can, you can do so much with this. It's unbelievable, and it's very, very stable. So I've been using this because I don't use Rich Auto whatsoever. I don't use Rich Auto, and I no longer use Wei Hong because Wei Hong doesn't give me the versatility that I need. Because if I want to upgrade a Wei Hong, they tell me I have to contact my supplier. They have to give me some backend files and whatever. It's too much work. But with this controller, you have everything. You have basically everything. Yeah, you can also have an output, an expansion board. So this one is not wired for expansion, but you can have it, and that's why I'm saying it can do an ATC like very well. It's just something else. And if you happen to have any inquiries, you can reach out to me, and then I can get back to you. Thank you.